Next I add here map chart. Click on sales data sheet. I create another pivot table. Click OK. Rename this sheet sales by region. Then drag and drop a region field in a rows box and a revenue field in values box. Format these values. Select currency, click OK. I cannot directly insert map chart in the pivot table. So copy these values from the pivot table. Press Ctrl+C shortcut keys and paste here. Select paste as values. Then format these values. Click on currency. After that, select these two columns. Click on Insert tab. Then click on Map chart. After that, I connect this map to the pivot table. But before I cannot convert these values into the map chart, I need to copy these values as a simple values. Then after that, I can connect this map chart to the pivot table. Right click, click on select data, click on edit, remove these values, then select these values, click OK. Then I format this map chart, double click on map chart, select show all labels, then select series colors. For highest value select this color and lowest value select this color. Similarly, I select the color of map. Suppose I select this color. Then give chart title to this map, sales by region. Again select all. Change the text color and click on bold. Then I rename this series 1. Click on select data. Click on edit. Name this series name sum of revenue. Click OK. Then I format text colors. Select this color and select solid line. Then I copy this chart and paste in the dashboard. Resize. Select no fill and no outline. First I change the icon colors. This color, then resize, then I increase the size of map chart, drag and drop. I see here chart title cannot move from right to left, so I copy this text and place in the text box. Click Insert tab. Click on text box, draw at this position, then copy this text and paste in the text box. Then select all, change the text color this color and select bold. Then increase the text size up to 14. After that, uncheck chart title. Then I format this text box. Select no fill and no outline. Again select all the text. Click on bold. Now resize this map chart